Did you know that revenue recognition in the oil and gas industry can be so complex that even a small error can lead to significant financial misstatements? Understanding the intricacies of revenue accounting in this sector is crucial for maintaining financial integrity. Many oil and gas companies grapple with the complexities of revenue accounting, from production sharing contracts to joint operating agreements. This can result in inaccurate revenue recognition, compliance issues, and difficulties in financial planning and analysis. At the individual level, accounting professionals in this industry often struggle with the unique challenges of oil and gas revenue accounting. They may lack confidence in handling complex arrangements like take-or-pay contracts or gas balancing agreements. This specialized training course addresses these challenges by providing a comprehensive understanding of revenue accounting principles and practices specific to the oil and gas industry. It covers topics such as production allocation, revenue distribution, and regulatory reporting requirements. Participants benefit from gaining expertise in areas such as volumetric accounting, pricing mechanisms, and royalty calculations. They learn to navigate the complexities of different fiscal regimes and contract types that impact revenue recognition. For organizations, the impact is substantial. With well-trained professionals, companies can ensure accurate revenue reporting, improve internal controls, and provide more reliable financial information for decision-making. On a personal and team level, participants develop into valuable assets for their organizations. They gain the confidence to handle complex revenue accounting scenarios, provide insightful analysis, and contribute to the overall financial strategy of their companies. Don't let the complexities of oil and gas revenue accounting undermine your organization's financial integrity or limit your career growth. Enroll in this training course today and become an expert in oil and gas revenue accounting, equipped to ensure accuracy and drive financial excellence in this dynamic industry.